Okay, and the next objective, I want you to write down anything you know about raising a number to the power of 0. So what is a number to the power of 0? Pause the video and write down anything you know about that. Well, you need to know that any number to the power of 0 is 1. Okay? Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So if you have a to the power of 0, that would be equal to 1. So 3 to the power of 0 is 1, 4 to the power of 0 is 1, 5 to the power of 0 is 1, etc., etc. And just from earlier on, we actually had this before, where if there is no power there, it doesn't mean 0, it means 1. So 3 means 3 to the power of 1. Pause the video and try these two examples. Example 11, evaluate 7 to the power of 0. Now, evaluate means work out the value of. So 7 to the power of 0, any number to the power of 0 is 1, so 7 to the power of 0 is 1. Example 12, evaluate b to the power of 0. Well, any number, and b represents a number, any number to the power of 0 is 1, so b to the power of 0 is also 1.